Okay, here is the latest design. Most of this you can see, but I will give you the tour. I'm going to add up these numbers and you can figure out how much wall space you have left from the 23 feet of the addition. And you can let me know if that is sufficient. Let's hit this button. So this is about 38 inches. This is 30 inches. This is currently 21. This is 30. 21. Then from this edge to the wall is 36. So if you want to pause the video and add those numbers up, that represents the wall where the cabinetry is up against. And then whatever minus 23 feet, that would be the balance of this wall here for your living room. But you can see the refrigerator built in, panels on either side of the refrigerator. Refrigerator wall cabinet, oven cabinet, bank of 4 drawers, bank of 3 drawers, potentially. Sometimes I can't do this top drawer depending on what kind of cooktop you use. Bank of 3 drawers, super lazy Susan in the corner. Decorative hood above the cooktop. Let's turn this guy around a little bit. Pull out trash, double pull out trash with a working drawer. 36 wide sink base, dishwasher, bank of 4 drawers, cabinet with a working drawer and 2 doors with 2 roll-out trays behind the 2 doors. See if we can look at this island. At the moment, we have cabinet with a drawer, 2 doors, 2 roll-out trays behind the 2 doors, bank of 3 drawers, cabinet with a drawer, 2 doors, 2 roll-out trays behind the doors. And we got wainscoting around the island. We're actually on the sides of the island. So there'll be wainscoting on this side and over here. This is 24-inch deep storage. This is 12-inch deep storage on the seating side of the island, with what they call flush furniture toe kicks. Then we have what we're going to call the coffee station. Cabinet prepared for glass. Crown molding going to the ceiling everywhere, naturally. And then we have a cabinet here with a drawer, 2 doors. So that is the quick tour of the kitchen since we last met. If you like this design, I can start working on pricing.